Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, or MiFID, is a form of legislation which governs the financial markets in the European Economic Area, including all 28 EU member states. The MiFID was put in place to create competition amongst investors whilst regulating investment services and protecting the consumers involved. The MiFID is a very important aspect in the EU's regulation of financial markets. The most important aspect of MiFID regulation is the protection of traders in a financial services market. Traders should always consider finding themselves a fully regulated, safe, and trustworthy financial broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, and direct market access accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. Coming in at number 3 on our list is City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering Forex, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate and Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. At number 2, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the SEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And those are some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.